Hello! Welcome back to Maci-English for Kids. Today, we're going to talk about someone very important in the family. My mother. Let's learn some new words to describe her and then listen to a short essay. Ready? Let's go! Part 1. Vocabulary. Doctor. Doctor. A doctor is a person who helps sick people get better. Garden. Garden. A garden is a place where we grow flowers or vegetables. 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 Vegetables are healthy food like carrots, tomatoes, and lettuce. Cookies. Cookies. Cookies are sweet little cakes we bake in the oven. Kind. Kind. Kind means nice and helpful to others. Part 2. Short essay. Hi everyone. My name is Maci, and today I want to tell you about my mother. My mom's name is Sarah. She is 34 years old. She has long brown hair and big green eyes. I think she is very beautiful when she smiles. She works as a doctor. She is very smart and caring because she helps sick people get better. She works hard every day, but she always finds time for me and my sister. My mom has a hobby too. She loves gardening. She plants colorful flowers and grows vegetables in her garden. Sometimes I help her water the plants and we have so much fun together. On the weekends, my mom and I like baking cookies. She is very patient when she teaches me how to mix the ingredients. She is also funny. She tells jokes and makes me laugh a lot. I love my mom because she is kind, loving, and the best mom in the world. So, those are some wonderful words to describe my mother. Now, can you describe your mom? Think about her job, her hobbies, and the things that make her special. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Maci-English for Kids. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.